Welcome back to Much More Than Science. Today we are going to learn about rocks, minerals, and soil. So now we are going to study about the three types of rocks known as the metamorphic rock, sedimentary rock, and igneous rock. So igneous rocks are the rocks which are made from quick cooling or slow cooling of lava. So the Earth's core is made up of a molten rock called magma. The high pressure inside the Earth pushes the magma upwards towards the surface of the Earth. Through the openings on the Earth's crust, such as volcanoes and cracks, the magma flows out onto the surface. Inside the Earth, the molten rock is called magma, but when it flows out onto the Earth's surface, it is called lava. The lava cools down on the surface and hardens to form igneous rocks. Among the different types of rocks on Earth, igneous rocks are most abundant. They are also called primary rocks. Now, we would talk about sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks cover a large area of the Earth's surface, but their total volume on the Earth's crust is estimated to be only 8%. Well, sedimentary rocks are formed by the depositions of small fragments of rocks within water bodies like river, lake or sea. Weathering and erosion of the rocks due to rain, wind and running water wear away the rocks. These small fragments of the rocks which were weared away like clay, sand and pebbles are washed down and deposited into the water bodies. These fragments sink to the bottom of the water bodies to form a layer of sediments. Repeated depositions build layers over layers of sediments. The lower layers get squeezed under pressure. Over millions of years ago, the pressure turns these layers into sedimentary rocks. Since sediments represent secondary or derived material from the pre existing rocks, sedimentary rocks are also called secondary rocks. Dead aquatic and land animals carried through rivers sink to the bottom of the sea during sedimentation. These dead remains get buried into the layers of sediments, which later become sedimentary rocks. The buried dead organisms and their casts like shells or their body impression get preserved in the sedimentary rocks. These are called fossils. Now, I have a question for you guys. Question is that which of the following rocks I will list right now have the mineral calcium carbonate? Is it shale, conglomerate, sandstone, or limestone? Now we are going to talk about metamorphic rocks. So, metamorphic rocks are rocks that are formed from other rocks. This process of reforming is called metamorphism. Metamorphic rocks are formed from igneous rocks or sedimentary rocks. The process occurs underground where high heat and pressure bring physical and chemical changes in the rocks. New minerals form from pre existing minerals. Minerals undergo physical change in the shape. I guess enough for explaining, guys. I'm tired. I will do the rest of the two topics later in my two videos. So, thanks for watching now and goodbye for today.